Hi, this is Glancy again on the Step Up Lives page, and I'm happy to be with you today to share a little bit about a very interesting word today, which is the word called female. Okay, and today the context which I'm going to talk about is how this word is sometimes not used correctly. Okay, so this is a little bit about language and how language can be used correctly, or sometimes it can cause a little bit of disrespect. Okay, so the focus for today is the word female. Okay, and very often in conversations you will hear men and women, okay, both referring to other women uh, as female. So, for instance, they would say, I met this female and she was like this, and this female was like that. Okay. And somehow I'm always a bit upset to hear that. And I wanted to share with you why I feel that way and why I think it's disrespectful. So let me break it down for you in terms of the word, the what it means, and how we should use the word correctly. Okay, so here goes. Now, the word female, it refers to any being, okay, any being of the sex that typically has the capacity to bear young or produce eggs. So whether an adjective meaning or you look at the noun of it, it basically means the sex that is capable of reproducing young. Okay, so that is by definition the meaning of the word females. Okay, now referring to women as females reduces them to their reproductive abilities. That sounds a bit degrading, don't you think? A female could be anything, not necessarily human. Your dog may be a female, and you realize that you don't want to lump, or categorize your girlfriend or another lady and an animal in the same category, do you? Okay. Very often I have noticed both men and women use the word female, to actually debase or devalue or criticize women. Okay, what they are doing subconsciously, they're reducing a woman to the level of an animal, and that is not really normal. Okay, um, calling a woman a female strips her of her value, her femininity, and it sends the message to people that she is replaceable and not worthy, neither of which are true. Also, it is a bit disdainful, it's misogynistic, it's distasteful. Okay, so don't undermine a woman's self-worth. And one more final thing I would like to end is that you never hear men referring to other men by calling them males, right? You never hear a man saying, I met this male at the party. Okay, neither would you hear women saying using that word. Then why do we use the word female? Because when a man meets a man, he says, I met a man. Okay, so I hope you're getting what I'm trying to convey to you. It's simple. You need to reserve the right words for the right usage. Okay, the word female has unfortunately become a derogatory word for women. Okay, especially for when referring to younger women with contempt. So please don't use this word in this context. It is distasteful and it's unclassy. All right, and the last thing, if you cannot think of another word, okay, try the word women or ladies. Okay, you can even say girls, and that's okay too. Okay, so thank you for listening to me, ladies and gentlemen, and let's stop referring to women as females. Thank you so much, and over and out. Bye bye.